So tasting there's some whiskey in the garage.
Oh,
Some Jameson.
you still got some.
Oh, yeah, we got a full bottle here. There's shot glass in the
Eating?
house though.
Start eating. Start your back.
Oh, sorry.
And then mash the monkey. Cool. I call. Action.
When you did the logo,
Mhm.
did you save it onto like?
I have a bunch of copies of it.
Oh,
Different. I have CMYK and RGB. Black and white and color.
have you tried messing around with like the animation on Adobe?
No, I haven't. But I can share those files.
Okay. 'Cause I wanted to create like an animation background with that spinning around and then with like the stats of players.
Why?
But I wonder how you would do that and fit it into the screen, you know?
In the corner or something.
And that.
Star smashed it right off the bat. She got the 10. Oh my god.
And it's a queen.
Any question? Any queen? Do you? Who dealt that?
2 9. No, it's that.
You say you dealt that. You dealt that. I dealt that. I made you big, so you're supposed to play. Let's go.
You've got to do it, right?
Really want to play this. Only 10? No way.
It's on you anyways.
I know. I want to play this game, but I don't want to lose 500. I'm gonna lay this one down, Star. I'm gonna lay this one face up. Take it. Sure. Bluff it. See? Let's see the river.
No, you gotta
Oh
pay.
my goodness.
Ready for the river.
Nice
Ready
game,
for
Star.
the
Nice
river.
job.
Shut up, Star.
Nice. Is that a good fold on me or what?
It's
I just
a
needed
good
10
fold on you.
straight.
4 minutes.
I hope.
This is why.
Before I go with the car, yeah.
It's a good phone.
That's like a sexy win, man.
I know, yeah.
Wow, you lost to a 5.
Here it comes.
You got knocked out by 5.
Like,
Fourth place.
Five, no.
Oh, they didn't look at
No,
your
on the
phone.
river though.
What?
The shot glass inside.
Oh.
When you-
If
I
you
know-
bet-
I think money
Text
still,
me out.
yeah, money still
Text
in
me
it too.
out.
I think money's coming out too,
Yeah,
so
text me out.
it should be in the bathroom.
I was actually kicking the straight.
Oh!
Count it, count it. I think it is.
Lines are getting too high.
How much is it now?
4.
It's
Oh,
going,
wow.
no, it's going up to. It's going up to
So
153.
Wow.
Still too far.
Huh?
153.
Oh shoot, we played 2-4. Yeah, we were playing 2-4.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're, that was last.
Well, we're starting
You did
2-4,
not
right?
coming out.
You got 150
Money's
and
not coming?
Oh, it's
Yeah,
1-3.
money
Oh my gosh. Oh, tell us where the shot glass is.
We playing 2-4.
You said
And I think you had to chase it from me.
I said it. I said it. Yeah. Sorry.
Someone here say.
We can stay at 2-4. Why don't we stay at 2-4 and just move it along then?
Yep, that's fine.
Stay at 2-4.
Wow.
Hey,
You already went. You already went. You've been playing, right?
The chips are in.
Stay with it. Yeah.
5, 150.
What do you got in there right now? 2-4, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay, yeah, just have you
Just
take
add
out
it.
shot glasses.
just add another 3 minutes on
Yeah,
top.
just stay with 2-4. Yep, go for it.
Tyson, you gonna stay one already?
Yeah, I don't mind. I'm already here.
It's
So.
not gonna
Yeah.
snow till like later on.
It's snowing now.
Actually, you
You know,
Is
that's
it?
really light snow.
Yeah, it's actually really light. It's not, I don't think it's bad.
Oh, when I came
There's no winds yet, so I ain't too worried, like I said.
Yeah,
I got a
tomorrow's
I'm
the
not
wins.
too worried.
Tomorrow's the win.
Yeah, I believe it's supposed to get, I think they say heavy on what, like 2, 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
You gotta stay over so you help Chris shovel the driveway.
Oh, I see that driveway.
Once everybody leaves, I'm pulling the cars up. So they're not too hard to
Yeah,
drive.
phone
Oh,
out.
man.
To shovel.
Oh yeah, I can see. That's a lot of work. And it's just you too, I'm assuming. You gotta invest in a snow blower.
Nothing to take care of, fix when it breaks.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Especially in here, like New England, you probably gotta use it like what, 3 times? You know what I'm saying? Like a year max. You know?
Exactly.
Yeah. Should I wait till Pierce and Grant get a little older?
Get stuck.
Oh yeah.
Pushing the
I
guy.
remember when I was first introduced into it, like, hey, you're old enough now, you come
They
on.
do the recycling.
At the
They
70s.
take that out.
Oh, nice,
They're
nice.
recycling.
You didn't bring me my chaser.
Huh?
My chaser. Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
they're tracking one.
Nice.
No game. Big game. Tyson.
Oh,
start. But stay alive.
Staying alive.
Pretty short stack too.
I know.
Middle pair. Middle pair's good.
Yeah.
It's good. Yes.
And
Corey's building steam.
I gotta.
This
Now
might
go.
take a while.
I'm on tilt.
Ooh, I'm sorry.
Maybe protect
Tyson
the.
snatched. My went away from me.
What about the audio? What was it?
No.
I did
So
not
low
mean
when the cameras was on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Sorry for it.
Sorry.
It was that one and then one of those.
One of them,
Oh my goodness.
Hey.
You were on here the whole time, didn't say nothing. I was as soon as I'm very particular about audio.
What's
No, when we started, I thought I heard an echo too.
You know there's like the tortoise in the rabbit.
You won?
It started real fast, real
Did I
strong.
fold or did you win?
yeah. Actually, we filled this out.
All in blind star, do it.
Oh,
I want to say first.
Did you see
Alright.
Just do it like me. You didn't see it, just do it.
I know.
You gonna win.
oh, do you have a pen, Parker?
Does not appropriate.
On to the glass one. Let's go.
Oh,
You're inside.
Yeah. Corey and I don't share. So. Only the
All in.
star might be shared. Star, are you taking a shot?
400.
No.
Oh damn, I forgot that's minimum. Yo.
1150 on.
Ah, yeah.
There we go.
There it is.
Nice push,
There it is.
Nice.
1150.
What's good,
She
John?
got the spades.
Alright.
Hold on.
1150 total.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
Does he
it's
call?
call? Is it call?
Yeah, that's great.
1150. 750 more.
I know
This is a big hand now. I just want to see it.
Just do it. You got top hair, bro. She's on a draw.
For sure.
She is on a draw.
Yeah, man. She got 2 chances.
It's just a bear. Sorry, guys.
What is it? 750 more.
1150 total.
Star wins this, she'll be like almost behind.
Your call. Could knock her right out.
This will put Star closer.
You
Yeah,
can
that's
go
good.
it. Oh, he lays it.
Write it down. Star takes her. Big hand. Big hand.
You playing really well today, man. I gotta give it to
Hey,
him.
you missed it earlier. I flopped the nuts, but I folded.
Tyson.
Oh, that was that one. Oh, damn.
At 3-5.
3. That's the hand, what I'm saying.
Mother.
You pass it down.
That was
And they both were betting mad.
I did it, man.
And then we had,
You passed it down.
he had a queen, he had a jack.
I know.
Damn. You're probably watching the bet. You're just like,
Oh, I'm so-
that's the word. It's just like,
it's on here.
You cooked the river too at the end.
Wait,
oh,
what's it?
damn.
Yeah. Yes.
Are we
Cheers, guys.
still 2 for 1?
Cheers.
Yeah.
We're at 10-9 now.
Cheers,
Cheers.
everyone.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, fuck. CA?
Don't spill here, you
Callie.
guys. You better let go.
God damn.
Soak it up.
starting to snow a little bit.
You guys staying over? You're reading?
Really?
God damn.
We got time.
So Tyson, who shoveled the
If
snow?
you guys
At my house,
just
everybody, yo.
you might stay
All the
over.
guys.
Lovely though. It's not like that big.
My drive was pretty big, yo. It's
Kids
four
It's
cars.
not that much.
Boys
Why?
in the snow, I couldn't
Ours
find
was
it.
four cars,
Yeah,
8 cars
Yeah,
total.
yeah,
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 yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, 8 cars.
Wow.
It was big.
They have those.
So,
You have
like I said, there's like what, fucking 6 of us guys, 5 of us guys. So
just
we
put
just,
duct tape on the
and
bottom.
we have all the shovels that we need.
You lying? You supervisor.
Yeah, but
I got you beer right
shit, I remember last time we did it, yo, it was so fucked up, yo. Like, everyone like shoveling, all of a sudden you hear someone puking out of the blue, right? And then I get back to work and then we hear another person start puking. I'm like, oh damn, yo, I know it's gonna be my turn next. Yo, like everyone's so hungover and shit, yo, just like, doing it.
Wait, what's wrong with that?
2 hours in front of it.
Oh, we can move it.
Action. Check. Yeah. Guys, we wait till.
Homeland Star.
Hold on, another phone.
Nice bet. Sounds a lot, but it's minimum 2.
Right.
400.
It go 11.
You got the king. You don't got the king. Let it go.
$7.
Ooh, you got a king too. Okay.
But
King's good.
Ready?
Okay.
Damn it.
Show the king.
Told you.
You wanna do this side, Chris?
Ace.
Ace. Damn, she
Oh,
says
ace
ace.
queen.
1, 2, okay.
Okay.
Sorry, star.
Ain't nobody need to know. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, JBK?
What can we
Hey,
offer?
what up, what do we need?
I haven't seen him in a minute,
What's up,
bro.
Johnny?
I'm getting up there.
Hang on, day every day.
Hey. Where the hell you been, yo? I gotta hit him up.
No, man, that's your boy. You got choke. You got to hit him up, man.
He's been, I think he's just been busy with babysitting, yo. I think he's like, yeah, full time, yo. Both
Babysit at
babysitting.
home?
Who?
I think, making kids, yo.
I thought it was taken away.
For real?
Well, they don't do that.
I thought they were. Yeah, I think he lives there with them.
Did you see that T on the live stream?
I was thinking like, it's not the
It's personal.
All I know is that last time I heard,
Not my place to talk about.
yeah, I just heard that he was still babysitting a lot. I was
I like potatoes,
oh,
guys.
I know.
Yo, I think all your boys should pitch in and go over with some groceries. You know, they really need that support. You see someone.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's you like broke. And you see a soldier down, you just gotta help him.
For sure.
You know what I'm saying? That's all your boy. Way, but you need to talk about it.
Yeah, there's really no excuse too, you know.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You gotta see who's struggling.
We get Velcro. Do we have Velcro?
Uh,
I got Velcro.
I want to know the thing you do next door.
No, I think Velcro works better.
Help me out too, fellas.
Go all in.
I'm struggling too,
Oh,
boys.
you gotta go now. Sorry, just went all in. Good dad.
Yeah. If you already called, then I probably would have recalled it, but
My hand too, yo.
it's tough. It's tough.
Depends what he does.
True.
Yeah?
What's up?
Yeah, what for Biggie?
Oh,
2-3. You know what he's gonna do.
Exactly.
I knew it. That's why I like big
I want 3.
Me and you need to become partners.
I got it. Look, I said 3. I knew it, yo.
Both of them are students,
Interesting.
too.
Interesting.
One pair, what is it?
Oh, 1450?
Yeah,
Just put 1450 total for
14.
my dad. The lunchtime. Oh, 1450 with it? No, yeah.
Total.
Total. You're right.
Just match it. Put another stack of blue right next to it. That'd be 8.
No, just count on 1450. Because she
Yeah,
got
that'd
like.
be 4, 8, 12.
Yo, thinking like, how they get the income, man?
I believe they collect.
Yeah, but only 2 of them.
50.
They're not gonna get one.
Alright.
50 more?
Yeah, just 50.
Oh,
Alright, good luck, guys. Go ahead.
Is it?
Jack 9.
Oh, hearts.
Oh,
Six,
club. She's
one.
on the draw. Back doors. Flush draw. Nope. Not getting it. Take it.
Can't.
No, queen takes it.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm gonna do them all. I'm gonna do them all. I'll let you know.
I didn't even hit it.
Wow. Sorry, you almost got it straight, dude. Look.
I know.
6, 7, 8, 9.
This is not everybody out.
Wow, what?
Oh,
What's
did
the
you?
last lead now?
He's going for his first.
We'll see. We'll see if they can stand up to him.
Corey's
Sorrow.
You almost had it. Oh.
Too long he's been holding. He's been in a holding pattern.
Really?
All night, those
Oh
flush.
shit.
I know, not a lot of players.
Sorry, I'm kind of going against you, though.
Why?
I can't let you further
Hey,
the
let's do it.
No, how happy I was. You got
You can do it. Right, don't let
See?
Another strong player.
I'm giving you respect. I respect that.
Who did that?
No,
No,
no. I lost
Yeah,
it.
lines up.
255.
If only it was that easy, though. If only it was that easy, though.
That's like saying, like, I can't be that good in the bear. He's a deadbeat. Like, no, we don't want to make that
You gotta
one.
make a wife out of the hole.
Yeah.
Can't make a hell out of the house. Can't make a house out of the house.
Yeah.
255.
250. Yeah. 5.
Far?
That's true, bro.
Definitely very difficult.
Facts.
Holy shit. 500? That's a bet, man. I think all you guys need
Go on, yo. I'm about to create
Cheers.
like a blind
John,
thing, yo, for home people. And I said, dude,
There's Monk Tinder already. Oh, that shit whack as hell. Yeah. Yo, you never heard of the Monk Tinder? That shit corny as hell, yo. I'm sorry, yo. Monk Tinder was like on Facebook and shit, yo. Like a Facebook group page.
oh,
Like,
it's
yo,
not app.
That's not real ad, yo, but like, you know, all of the people on that shit, yo. I fucking joined it, yo, and I was watching, like, I ain't gonna say nothing, we're not lying, yo, but there's a lot of people I know posting and commenting, and I'm just like, yeah, that poor motherfucker. I was like, oh my god, man.
There's a lot more guys and girls out there.
Oh, hell yeah, yo. Hell yeah. But there's a lot of girls on there, you'd be surprised, but obviously down there, they're down there for a reason, you know what I'm saying? Let's just say that. And,
You know, be boss and shit, man.
that's probably like a good portion of them. Yeah, a good portion of them.
I go name no stable.
Hey, the good thing that comes with that is that, yo, I believe they free, right?
Oh, right.
Nothing wrong with that.
We need to create a reality show, bro.
Yo, I think they try doing that for Monk shit, yo. I mean it, yo. They think like these Monk people are starting, they come up with some good ideas.
Yeah, bro. As long as you got viewers.
Mhm. But the problem is this though, right? I think like the requirement for like Monk dudes was like, oh, you gotta have this type of job, make this amount of money, blah blah. This certain height, gotta be good looking, blah blah. That almost cancels out like 90% of the Monk dudes. And I'm just like, damn, yo, they gotta have a hard time doing a second season, yo.
That's why I come in. I come in the whole one. Mine is the opposite. This is the hood,
Right?
This is the hood version, bro.
Right?
This is the
Height limit 5'5" under, you know? All these guys are like, yeah.
For real.
Dude, it's fucked up. Like the girl's like 5'1", you know what I'm saying? Oh, you ain't 6 feet, yo. Forget it. Like, yo, that shit's too funny, yo.
We gotta make a hood one, dude.
We should though, yo. We should, yo. Make it more realistic and shit, man.
This is what you get. That's it.
But I'll never forget, man. We was at Checker Bars in Minnesota, and I see some homeboy with like sandals, bro, flip flops in the club, bro, with jeans. I was looking at him like, my boy is chilling, yo. And yo, I think the girl who chilled was pretty good looking too. I was like, man,
Get
he's
it?
living hard, yo.
Had some gay dudes hit on me yet.
Damn, damn. Is that a compliment though? You know?
I don't know.
You know what I mean?
You said you want to move it?
That's the reason you moved it. What you mean?
There's no ocean over there.
Ice
Oh,
fishing,
shit.
man. Ice fishing.
I'm shit is undercover.
I put all the winter
It's not the
weapons up.
retirement plan.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. It's only like low.
It's sticking now.
Don't leave it all at night though, because the winds are gonna be
Property
like
in
56
Florida.
miles an hour.
As long as you want to go Florida, man.
That's
I'm
what I'm
telling
saying.
you.
But then it's not supposed to start.
My
Well,
goal
it start.
is
It's
to
Now,
fun.
like when you get home,
own property in Florida and Raleigh, so
They
it's
do
summertime.
that.
In the winter, I'm be in Florida. Just fish hard, bro. Florida got some good fishing. Summer.
I heard the fishing's nice over there. I'm not much of a fish man.
Horn, Joe. If you don't know.
They had a house over there in Florida, I think.
Oh,
I don't know. They're retired. I don't know. They got a lot of money.
Wade got some guys.
No, fight though.
Yeah, I think
Pretty cool thing, too.
travel chance to move out of the tropical
Those were GTs that we saw when we were snorkeling. That school of
Yeah.
fish. I think they were GTs.
Yeah.
That's school of fish.
I think there's one right in front of me. And I look at the video and it's far away.
Yeah.
I thought it was right here. I thought it was
Hawaii, bro.
right here in my face.
You gotta-
You think your skill
Wait,
The eye looks like
Hawaii?
this. The eye, as
You probably
a,
make good money over there,
Oh, you
yo.
saw a Barracuda over there.
yeah,
Yeah,
it's
but
up
when you-
here,
when you're still trained, though,
yeah.
You can upcharge them.
That
Like,
freaking
They
roof is
gotta-
awesome.
I'm assuming they must make good money over there. You know.
Average.
You know that whole
How
style
How many
The brief with the Barracuda
skilled
was that. That's
carpenters
deep.
do they have over there?
The
You
deep was
know,
awesome.
No,
can't do too many.
What beach was that?
That was that one at the point where we had to go all the way down.
That was Coral Reef, they said.
That one was. That was.
You go there, you know what I'm saying?
National Park. That's where you saw the Barracuda.
Yeah. Well, we saw it further down the beach though.
Oh,
No,
we
it didn't have that cliff like that, cliff.
Yeah, that shit was scary, dude. I
That's
saw you going
awesome.
on there. I'm like, hell no, bro.
Awesome.
But like, white people die and stuff like this, dude. Bro, hell no.
I was when the white guy gets eaten by a shark. No.
And like, you're like, how? Yo, bro. But the other side was beautiful, dude. Like when we swam out and you saw like the coral, all those like tropical fish.
Yeah,
swimming all
you
over.
mean like down the beach further, right? That first time we went out.
The first time we went.
Yeah, there.
On the other side.
Yeah, that was nice.
Like,
It wasn't on the other side. It was there.
It was at
But it was further down the
maybe
beach.
side. What was it? Your cousin's side. Oh, your sister. Right?
Yeah, my sister. Yeah, so it was further down the beach. Is what it was. Yeah, that was nice.
Because
too.
trying to go through like this little backyard.
I liked the deep water though. That's why. That deep water was awesome.
That is the coral, the coral side.
I don't know. I guess
Yeah, it is. It was.
Yeah.
It was
No,
down
we
further.
went there where you have to go through the backyard. There's a roundabout, and then you go through like the
Yeah.
alley or whatever, and then there's the beach. Yeah, that's where we
You go
saw
out
it.
So we were down
That's
further
a
down the
fun
beach
people.
the first night.
Oh, that was nice. That's where we caught
That's
the
real
lobsters.
nice. That's so beautiful. Like when I was in there, it was like I was on like.
Did you take them?
Yeah, it was really
It was
good.
You went to the national park.
No, we had
The other side by the other side.
Like
or
Grace Bay.
Grace Bay Beach.
yeah,
in there.
yeah.
I'm like, supposed to do that.
Oh, really?
No,
The charter captain was doing
yeah.
Oh, he was.
Yeah.
taking it.
Oh, you went out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
we went parasailing, and then he took us snorkeling there, around there, and then he was diving
Like
around.
out at the out far.
No, it was like us when we was catching lobster. We was at least like probably 20
We
yards
were-
out from
Yeah,
shore.
we were
Yeah,
out
But I
there.
mean, we weren't far from shore.
No.
It was 20 yards. You
Yeah,
could
yeah.
see shore. That's pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah, that coral reef was nice. It was like a planet Earth. Like I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I'm witnessing this,
I
yo.
think you guys sketch. She's like, of
I'm gonna
course.
tell you the wrong thing to do. You know?
I was like that too. When I was like going swimming over the reefs or whatever, and I feel like because
Why
you
not?
know when you look down and you have the goggles on or whatever, it looks like it's so close, but it's not. I felt like I was gonna step
No,
on
I said,
them.
why you go all in?
I couldn't do it.
This will cripple somebody. This is it, yo. This is the game.
This is a big. This is the
This is
The
the
lobsters
game.
were
This
pretty
is the
big.
game.
The spiny ones.
Whoever wins is gonna knock him out in 2 hands.
They had the
Mine's
long
a 5.
whiskers.
Whatever.
Yeah. 2 more things. Yeah, those are the clawless ones. The Caribbean
Yeah.
ones. You ate those?
Oh, we ate the 2 small ones.
This is
And then
time to
he
make
took the big
moves,
one.
man, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he was saying that the bigger they get, the meat is not as tender.
So I made 3 more.
I ate all that shit.
Yeah.
All 3 of them.
And we had it
if
with
you do
some
try to
butter
survive,
and
you
some
can show
lime,
three people the
so
blind
good.
won't
Yeah.
It's like 3 hands.
I call yo, fuck that
Yeah.
shit.
Go.
And plus, you don't want to just wait till you have the
Free
last
dive
one and
down.
you
I'm on
have
the
to
draw. I gotta
chip
go
20
20
feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need
Like
like
7
7.
you are.
That shit's
Yeah.
awesome.
7 deuce.
He'll go with me too.
The
7 deuce.
5. 9 equals the chat.
Five takes
Oh,
it.
flush.
Let's go, baby. Five takes it.
I would have
Oh, it's a tie, yo. It's a tie right now. It's a tie.
Oh my god.
This is the
Look
time to
at
do it.
this.
That's when you do it.
Wow.
Look at this
Yeah.
final
Yeah.
two.
It's a tie, yo.
Look at this. 2
Have
on
to
with
do that.
1 win on the live stream. Beaky with no wins on the live stream.
This is that.
Who will prevail?
Yo,
Come on, now talk shit.
coming,
We got
yo.
a clap. No, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Like that.
A clash of brothers.
Damn, those cars just stopped coming for
Actually, there's a clash of
Did
brothers.
you guys go out to the ship, right?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
There, you look.
I think you cheated, yo. But you're not winning more.
How?
You're losing on purpose. So it doesn't look too obvious.
I don't know why the comments are up there.
Oh no, that's it. That's it.
That's the last one.
Yeah.
Anybody wants to talk? Smash that like button.
Bro, yeah, smash it like that.
Do it.
That's
My
YouTube.
mom-
That's for YouTube.
I know, right? My mom's watching some guy on YouTube. He's supposed to be like some alt journalist, right? It's a right wing dude. And like he's supposed to have this serious show. He's presented at this serious show, and then he's like, "Why you to smash that like button?" Like you just lost all credibility, guy. Like no credibility.
Did you see the one money poster, the Fox News and all that? Oh,
With
no,
that
Trevor
ice
Noah.
cream.
The
Yeah,
ice
the ice
cream.
cream. Yeah.
Trevor Noah's hilarious.
Trevor Noah is really funny.
Trevor Noah, Stephen Colbert. They're funny.
Trevor Noah's hilarious. His stand-up is funny too.
I know. That's a good stand up. It's like sometimes like they had nothing to go on, so like they
You gotta use the smallest thing, yo.
Ice cream. Wow, Trump's out.
He got- you got 2 scoops. Like, I don't care.
You eat 2 scoops
Yeah.
when the economy is floundering.
I don't care. Bro.
No shit.
I get 4 scoops, bro.
Yeah, exactly. I want you to have a banana split.
I get 4 scoops, bro.
What?
We should go to Puerto Rico.
My cousin really likes Puerto Rico, actually.
Yeah,
And my
sounds
sister
good,
did too.
I heard you almost have to
Yeah,
stay at
let's
the
go.
resort. though.
You
Like,
do have to
Yeah.
stay,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
or-
stay at the resort.
They have
Yo,
gated
people were
communities.
dying there 3 years ago. Remember when at the resorts, everybody was getting sick? Remember, like, oh, it must
They
be.
got gated communities. You can rent houses too, though.
They said with the
But it's
pesticide.
like in a community thing. But yeah, they say don't go out. They got grocery stores like in the walls of it. Like,
That's why I
strictly
really
for like
wanna-
tourists. And,
Mm.
I don't really like going to Spanish country, yo. Just anywhere but.
And the
Where go you?
Dominican Republic, my boss went there and he said that you could live there
Go to Greece then.
with
You
a
wanna go to
minimum
Greece?
wage.
And snorkel there too. Free dive.
Calls.
Whoa.
Interesting.
There you go. Cheers.
Cheers.
What?
Cheers.
B. Oh, B.
It's the wrong. It's the wrong one, man. It's the wrong one.
It's just from the fridge.
It's the wrong. I don't feel nothing. It's been an hour. Just wait.
Waiting.
Oh, you guys want to do your shot?
Sure, right?
Yeah, he poured it.
Oh. Probably got some teas in it. Probably got some teas in it.
Alright, we
Oh,
got
yeah.
4
What's up,
viewers.
I hate starting on good, bro. I hate it.
The final
thank you.
2 is
Cheers, guys.
Loki and Beaky.
Can we do this?
What's going on right now?
$1,000.
I reshared it and we got 4
You
viewers.
said 1,000.
Wait. Oh,
Down.
And he re-raises all this. Oh shit!
Beaky. Not Beaky.
Put the
Tyson.
Is that?
Here comes
I call it.
the call.
Oh,
Let's see it.
yo.
We got 10.
Let's see
10 deuce. Draw. Big draw.
Open ender.
It's not gonna come with just one more hand.
Who's gonna get there?
Dang.
Vegan gets first.
Shift it to the left a little, Tyson. The cards. No, the flop. The front. The flop.
To the right, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a bad beat or it's gonna be a good one. That's it.
Either way.
Here we go.
Alright, you boys ready?
Mr. Jack
Jack
or
six.
six.
Or ace. Jack 6, ace.
Nah, it's gonna be a
3
5.
cards to dodge.
5 of
Yeah.
diamonds.
And
I said.
it's up.
Oh!
Nope.
Hey, let's go.
10 chaser.
10 versus 8.
Did you cover though?
Match up.
Hold on.
He covers.
No, just match up.
Ooh, that's close.
You gotta see.
Wait,
I think Vicky covers.
Yeah.
I think Vicky
No,
covers.
No.
that was
Down
like,
it, down it.
Down right there.
yeah.
Oh yeah, that's all good. Then.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
wait,
it's
match
match.
up.
Yeah, it's matched. It's matched.
So match up the blacks.
Oh.
I think Vicky covers. His blue stack is
Oh.
monster.
There you go.
Set that in the line.
Put that.
I'll just put it in, just so we know.
Yours.
People are he's gonna come out. Oh, match these two.
Blue. And just match the blue after that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
His first
Cheers,
one.
lad.
Yeah! Fuck you!
Drink. Drink.
Cheers.
Not gonna brand you right.
He's on the board. He's on the board. He's on the board.
Cheers.
You gotta think your older brother. He let you have that one, man. He let you have that one. That was good. That's a good one.
I was scared something.
That's a real good show.
All right.
Yeah, Biggie Ryan just said, fuck you. We lost 3 viewers.
Open ended with the ace kicker.
I'll push it.
Hell yeah, that's a good push. Think about it.
I was just a good.
You still have mad chips, you know what I'm saying? You could have easily folded that, you know what I'm saying?
Alright,
Easily.
that's it.
Came out for me. I was like,
Tyson, you want to end it?
Oh.
On the Facebook and
But-
send it.
All right, Beaky, you're on the board.
Biggie is
Star's
on
the
the
only one who
board.
hasn't won the slide.
Peace out, everybody.
Thanks for watching.
thank you for watching. Like us, like our page.
Thank you for watching.
Watch our videos on YouTube.